something interesting to possibly talk about today is, approaching businesses after the new year, what type of mindset to have, that sort of thing might be an interesting topic.
Yeah, so let's talk about approaching businesses after the new year. One of the things that comes up is we think, okay, everybody has told us, call me back after the first of the year, call me back after the holidays, call me in Q1 of next year, and what we end up doing is one of two things that are not skillful. First thing, we forget to call those people back and we don't do anything on it. The second thing that we do is we have this salesy approach after the new year. Hey, Dave, it's Matt Easton with Easton University. You had said for me to call you back after the new year. I'm doing just that. Give me a call when you have some time, right? And the people never call you back. Why do they not call you back? They've told 75 other sales reps to call them back after the first of the year, all right? So hopefully you've been NSO, next step obsessed, in your previous conversations, and you've said something like, hey, does it make sense for us to move forward on this? No, call me back after the first of the year. Got it. How about we do this? I will call you January 7th if I haven't heard from you before then. Fair enough? Sure. Then you can say as promised. Okay, hey Dave, it's Matt Easton with Easton University. As promised, it's January 7th. Circling back to see if it makes sense to sign that agreement. But if you're not in that position and you're just calling people after the first of the year, I want you to default to what's been working for all of us this whole time. Hey Dave, Matt Easton, Easton University was thinking about you guys. Hey, I've got an idea that I'd love to get your opinion on. Can you give me a call on my mobile, 720-660-3202? You have to separate yourself from the 76 other sales reps that are going to be calling them and saying, hey, happy new year, hope everything's going great for you, cold enough for you, hope this new year's off to a great start, with a bunch of gobbledygook, silly little small talk that means nothing, and then, hey, I'd love if I could just get 5 minutes of your time to talk to you about the services, to talk to you about what we're offering, to talk to you about our new beginning of the year promotions. That's garbage. It sounds salesy. So I want you to just open that conversation with, if you set a next step, as promised, right? I'm calling to see if it makes sense to blank, get in front of your board, present to your partners, have you sign the agreement wherever it was that you left it, or if you haven't left it anywhere and you're just circling back with people after the new year, watch your language. Don't use the F word and don't use the C word. Don't say I'm just following up, and don't say I'm just checking in. Hey, was thinking about you. I've got an idea I'd love to get your opinion on. Can you give me a call on my mobile, 720-660-3202? Listen to my tonality, right? Professional, down to business, high level as far as my credibility. Hey Dave, Matt Easton, founder of Easton University. I've got an idea that I'd love to get your opinion on. Can you give me a buzz on my mobile, 720-660-3202? It's almost impossible for them to not call you back. Remember, the goal when we're making these calls in the new year is to get them to call us back and to start a conversation. The goal is not to sales pitch them on the phone. The goal is for sure not to leave a sales pitch in their voicemail. Hey, Dave, Matt Easton, people like us have seen people like you have seen a 7 times improvement in their sales with Easton University. Stop it with the sales pitches on the voicemail. Just let them know, I've got an idea, would love to get your opinion on it. Can you give me a call on my mobile? And give them your mobile. Make sense?